Yeah.
This is a northern cardinal.
Is it a male or a female?
Male.
How do you know?
Because I remember.
But how do you tell the difference between a male and a female cardinal?
Well, a female is a little bit brown and red, and it doesn't have a crest on its head.
Well, they do have a crest, but they're not always standing up.
Yeah, but they're not always standing up, and they don't have a lot of red on them.
Right. Okay.
This is a blue jay.
Do we have those in our yard?
Yes, but they're all the same. Female.
That's true. What do we know about blue jays? What did you tell me about them this morning? What do they hide?
They hide acorns, and they usually can't really find them again, and they forget about them.
So what happens to those acorns?
Squirrels or chipmunks may get them, or other birds that get.
What if nobody finds them though? What happens?
They just stay there until the rain washes them to another place.
Well, that's one possibility, but there's another possibility that happens in our yard all the time. And in the summer, we have a problem, and I have to go out there and do something.
Lots of acorns fall.
No, not that.
I don't know.
You know, when we have to go outside and pull up all the little sprouts to keep from growing trees everywhere.
Oh yeah, those are acorns, and that's what they have.
Yeah, and we have blue jays, so I bet they're the ones that bury them and try to plant little oak trees.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, this is a Oriole.
Why don't you come back to that one?
No, it's a wolf.
Yeah.
I don't really know anything about that.
That's okay, I don't either.
Wolf.
We do have some different warblers that I've seen outside, though.
This is a downy or whatever.
Well, it's not a downy. The label only says woodpecker.
Oh, so it's a woodpecker.
It's the one that I'm not sure how you pronounce. We'll look that up later.
Okay.
Have we seen that kind in our yard?
No, only the ones that just have white stripes on them.
We've seen 3 different kinds in our yards. We've seen the downy woodpecker, I can't remember the other ones. I'd have to look back at the pictures.
So, are you showing this to my teacher?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you know about woodpeckers? What is unique about them?
They have beaks and they push them through wood, but they're strong and they don't chip their beaks off. They usually chip the wood off to make nests in there, and when they make holes, they sometimes go in their holes, and then if there are any caterpillars or anything in there, they eat them.
You remember when we watched a video that talked about what another reason that they peck on trees other than to make nests?
No.
Oh. They have special tongues. They make holes in the bark, and then they stick their weird tongue in the hole to get the bugs out.
This is an Oriole.
Yes. Which kind, though? Yeah, okay.
Not really, because we don't.
They eat something that none of these other birds eat that we just talked about a minute ago.
This is an indigo.
Hey, come back. Let's finish talking about the Oriole.
Okay.
What do they eat that's different? Starts with an N.
Nuts.
No, they eat the same thing hummingbirds eat.
Nectar.
Yes. And so they will also eat jelly, and they like oranges.
Yes.
Okay.
And so So this is an indigo bunting, which I don't really know why.
Yeah, we don't know much about indigo buntings, but you don't. Did you say you don't know why it's called that?
I don't know why it's called an indigo.
Indigo is a color.
Why is it called a bunting?
Well, that I don't know. I'm not sure what a bunting is. We'll have to find out about that. But indigo is a blue color.
Oh.
So, what looks different about this indigo bunting than a bluebird?
A bluebird, so